Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M and this is...
MJ.
What?
MJ.
MJ! And who is our special friend today? Alright, and in front of us we've got a bunch of these. Do you know what these are? Chili peppers. In fact, these are green Thai chilies and we're going to be cooking with them today. Let's roll!
Oh no, oh no. He got it on him.
Alright, our special ingredient today is these green Thai chilies. And there's lots of different kinds of chilies. These are the ones I chose to use. There's red chilies. You can get them dried if you can't find the fresh ones. These will work. If you just absolutely have no options, a really not great substitute, but will do the trick, is just some crushed red pepper. So you can find this at any grocery store. Preferred would be some Thai chilies, either green or red again. You can typically find these dried ones. Otherwise, we're going crushed red pepper. Ready to cook? Alright, let's do it! Alright gang, ingredient time. Super easy for this one. We need 3 large eggs, a pinch of kosher salt, 2 red chilies or green chilies, some sort of spice, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, and some sweet Indonesian soy sauce. Yum! Alright, step 1, we want to make sure that if we're using fresh peppers, get all the seeds out of the middle. So go ahead, chop the top off, split it in half, and then you can either use the knife to scrape out or your fingers. Then we're going to go ahead and dice that thing up super small. We want lots of small parts because you don't want to just bite into a big hunk of chili. MJ's adding the kosher salt to the eggs and she's going to mix it, and I'm adding the peanut oil and starting to heat that up on a non-stick skillet. Please use a non-stick skillet, otherwise you will regret that decision as it will stick to the bottom and probably not want to come off. Looks like she's got that all mixed up. We want to make sure that the whites and the yolks are completely blended together. As soon as it's hot, we're going to add those chili peppers and that'll help infuse the oil and make it a little bit spicy. And we're going to saute them for just about a minute. Not too long, we don't want them burned and nasty. They should be still nice and green once they're done. So go ahead and spread them out on the pan because we want to have them all over our omelet, not in one place. Add your egg and salt mixture, and then we're going to hang out for a little bit because it takes a little while to cook. Once it's about 2/3 set like that, you're going to go ahead and flip over. You can either fold it in half or fold it in thirds depending on your preference. There we go. And then we're going to leave it there because we want to actually brown the bottom a little bit. And we're still waiting, check in. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and brown. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that over, and then all we have to do is brown the other side and we're ready to eat. Alright, so here's our final product, nice and browned and yummy, and we'll see if it's spicy or not. Before you serve, we want to put our sweet Indonesian soy sauce on this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush a bunch on there. This adds kind of a sweet and salty flavor to it, but it's complex because you have that star anise and some other things. And let's get one more big old scoop. This stuff is so good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh wow, don't splatter it all over too far. Alright, we're probably good. That is some epic painting. Alright dude, ready to give it a taste? So go ahead, let's get a little piece. I'll cut you one off.
Yay.
There you go, and here's one for me, and let us know what you think. Is it good? Nice and sweet and salty. Chilies aren't too hot, so if you want to make yours spicier, add more chili. Duh. But it's got a little bit of kick, but not enough to make you want to cry.
No. Too spicy!
Too spicy for you? Alright, so it's good for Mr. M. Miss MJ says it's too spicy for her. Signing off for today, I'm Mr. M, this is MJ, this is...
Berry.
Berry, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Mr. M and MJ.